Hello, Quasif.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Quasif. And this is Aruna from Quality Department, Quasif. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So
Okay,
before
ma'am.
starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placements, Quasif. Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, your hometown, your earlier studies, and your experience?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Quasif. I basically come from Jharkhand, and I completed my engineering in the year 2020. After that, I got some opportunity in the year 2021 in construction. After that, I left that job due to some lacking my skills. So I came to CMTI to enhance my skill, and CMTI helps me a lot to in my future career. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI, Quasif?
Yes, ma'am. CMDI, ma'am, from Google, and I searched in Google. After that, I review in overview in YouTube, and these things help me to get into this CMDI.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
what did you learned in CMTI, Quasif? Your classroom training and the site training. Can you brief on that?
Yes, ma'am. Now I learned a lot of things in CMDI. First of all, the sequence of construction, ma'am, the main part for in civil engineering, in civil industry, we have to know the sequence of construction, methodology related to that, and rate analysis, material calculation, PBS. And apart from that, I learned interior also. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah, can you speak about our trainer, Natarajan sir and Ashok sir? So, how was their guidance for the interview and career also?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, thanks to Ashok sir. Ashok sir is a great personality, ma'am. Actually, he is a career coordinator, ma'am. He guide you in a right path. Whoever lagging in things, he'll help you a lot. Yes, ma'am. And Natarajan sir, ma'am, Natarajan sir is very helpful in ma'am to study in ma'am construction. What are the related contents in that? He helped me in that. And apart from that, interiors, the guest lectures, whoever come to our institute, they help you a lot in the learning process.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, can you speak about your confidence level, Kwasif, before joining the courses and after joining the training?
Yes, ma'am. Before joining the institute, I was a little bit nervous about myself only. I was not confident that much. But after giving so much of, after every interview, after I gained a lot of confidence, and these helped me a lot, ma'am, to improve myself. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, you said that you are from Jharkhand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, from Jharkhand to Bangalore.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have relocated totally. So it's North India and this is South India.
Yes, ma'am.
So how did you feel comfortable with Bangalore and what are the challenges you faced there?
Ma'am, at first I was facing some problem because actually we come from a different climatic condition, and this is a different scenario here. Every phase we have facing some problem, but we have to defeat them as well. And in Bangalore, it is a good nature and good culture of every surrounding. And people are also good. They help you a lot if you are facing problem. And CMT also helped me a lot. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how was the explosion towards company? So whether you are having an idea about in like corporates or how did CMTI guided you to like behave with the corporates and all? So how was that process?
Yes, ma'am. Actually CMTI helped me in every phase, ma'am. From first day to this day. Yes, ma'am. First, I was a little bit confused about my which career should I choose in construction only, or should I go to interiors? But after being a little bit of time, I decided to go on interiors. Yes, ma'am. And faculties, whoever faculties are here, ma'am, they help me in these things.
Okay. So what about CMTI staff, whether they were helpful to you?
Yes, ma'am. In every part, ma'am, every day. And they actually every staff is also helping me, man, every day. Whenever I used to call, they helped me, ma'am.
Okay. Have like hope you are happy with your placements.
Yes, ma'am. Very much happy
Okay.
and very much
So what
satisfied
about
also. Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. So what about CMTI app Quasif? How did that help you?
Yes, ma'am. CMTI app is a, I think it's a very nice app and very great app. I used to say because whenever you will face a problem in if you are not attending the class also, you can go through the app and you can read whatever the contents you are missing in the class. And you can, if you are having the doubt with the app also, you can just consult to the coordinator or whoever in the class. You can just ask them. They will also help. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Quasif. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Quasif?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say just if you are having any doubt, you just consult with the CMTI staff and or you can just come to this place. You will get you will have a great time here only and you will get golden opportunity to start your career, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Quasif. Thanks for your feedback. And surely
Thank you,
we're
ma'am.
going to miss you. And
Yes, ma'am. I miss you all.
yeah,
All
and all the best to your future. And congratulations to for your placements, Quasif. Thank you so much. Thank you.
thank you, ma'am.